Your screens are literally changing how your eyes work. Here's why your vision blurs and how to stop it. Right now, we're looking at bloodshot eyes staring at a bright smartphone in complete darkness. This is what most of us do every single day. Here's the shocking truth. Humans blink 60% less when looking at digital devices. Watch what happens to your eyes. Your protective tear film starts evaporating, leaving your eyes dry and gritty. And then there's blue light, this high energy visible light that's causing serious retinal fatigue. But here's the real science behind why everything looks blurry after screen time. It's all about your ciliary muscle. This tiny muscle in your eye stays completely clenched to focus on close-up text. After hours of this, it literally locks up. So when you finally look away, distant objects appear fuzzy because your muscle can't relax and refocus properly. The good news? There's a simple solution. The 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Also, keep your screens 20 to 28 inches away. Your eyes deserve a break. Subscribe for more body tips and hit the bell button.